All right, let's talk about financial modeling. If you've ever dreamt of really mastering it, you know it can feel like you're staring up at this impossibly huge mountain. But what if I told you the entire path to the top? It all starts with just one single, crucial first step. Well, today that's exactly what we're going to figure out.
So, where does this journey really begin, right? I mean, do you just dive headfirst into all those complex formulas, or maybe start with some fancy software? Well, according to our source material, the actual starting line, it's somewhere you probably wouldn't expect. It's something way, way more fundamental.
And that's really the key here. The entire path, everything that comes after, is built on this one single starting point. Trying to skip it, it's kind of like trying to build a massive skyscraper with no foundation. Yeah, it might look impressive for a minute, but you and I both know it's going to come crashing down.
And here it is, spelled out for us crystal clear. This isn't just a friendly suggestion. Our source lays this out as like a non-negotiable rule. Before you do anything else, you have got to have a deep, solid understanding of the fundamentals. Okay, so what are these fundamentals we're talking about? Well, our source calls it the foundation, and it's built on two main pillars: corporate finance and financial accounting. Now look, these aren't just buzzwords you throw around. Think about something specific, like the statement of cash flows from accounting. If you don't really get how cash is moving in and out of a business, then any model you build, well, it's basically just a shot in the dark, isn't it? That is the kind of bedrock knowledge we're talking about. This pretty much lays out the whole path for you. And look at how it flows. It just makes sense. You start by building that foundation. Then, with that foundation in place, you can start to really analyze financial data. And only after that, only then are you actually ready to tackle the advanced stuff. See? Each step builds right on top of the one before it.
But that's the real question, right? So what? We know what the first step is, but why does it matter so much? What do you actually get out of mastering all this corporate finance and accounting stuff? What's the payoff?
And boom, here's your answer. It's the power to analyze financial data. See, this isn't just about memorizing facts or theories. It's about what you can do. This foundation gives you the ability to look at a mess of raw financial data and actually understand it, to interpret it, to pull out the real story. That's the immediate, powerful payoff.
Just think for a second about how much this changes your perspective. Without this foundation, you look at a spreadsheet packed with numbers, and honestly, it can be super intimidating. It's like trying to read a foreign language. But with it, suddenly you have the key. You're the translator. You can see the story the numbers are telling and start to uncover those hidden insights.
And that's the whole point, really. That power to analyze data, that's your bridge to the ultimate goal. It's what gets you ready for all the other stuff, the really complex models, the valuations, the forecasting. Without it, all that advanced stuff, it's just going to stay out of reach. It's the gatekeeper.
So there you have it. The roadmap is laid out. The first step couldn't be clearer, and the power you get from it is absolutely real. So the only question left is for you. Now that you know exactly where to begin, what are you going to build with your foundation?